I-organization siyayithanda kakhulu. We love our organization. Mina ngithanda le nto ukuthi anginawo ubhathi. Futhi angifuni ukuthi ngisukela abantu sebekhulile, mhlawumbe abanye seku-same age nabo, abanye bancane kunami, nabantu bangaphezulu. Bese ngithi hayi yekani ukuthi, ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukujoyina kwethu le organization sayijoyina voluntarily without any recruitment esayithola. Wathi umuntu ayi nangu Nxamalala lethu uzovotela MK, gijimani uzovotela MK sonke. We've responded kwi-call yakhe ngenxa yokuthi bokuyi-commander besi-support. U-Commander JZ uqale i-comrade eyi-leader yethu kwa-ANC. Ubesihola futhi ama-comrade amaningi kwa-ANC bekholelwa kuNxamalala. Bekholelwa ngendlela yokuthi noma ngithi ngaleso sikhathi akholeliwe ukuba uNxamalala uwu-president. Bokuyinkolelo yama-comrade athize, especially coming from i-majority KZN, ukuthi ngeke siyakuphusha uNxamalala noma bebembiza ngamagama ngoZulu boy decent death, ngeke siphathwe umuntu onjani ngoba babengabone capable for ukuthi abe president country. Kodwa waphuma kulomnyama waphatha, even though bangamnika a chance bafuna uku-impeach, because I don't think i-leader yakho ungahlangana nabantu i-impeach ubonakale ngoba even some of his fellow comrades, they were rally behind labantu ababethi Zuma must fall. Kodwa babengeke bakwagqoka ikhipha bayestradini, because if uyabona lapha kwa-participate wonke ama-political parties. Right away, that was a sketch esasibhaliwe abantu abathize abahlala behind the scene ukuthi hayi yenzani ukuthi abakwi-control. Nanokuthi uComrade JZ ebengavumelani nengqondo yomuntu omhlophe ukuthi umuntu omnyama noma umuntu oyibala elinsundu akahlale njalo eveza isandla ecela ethi ngicela umsebenzi. Yena his intentions bezi very clear ukuthi umuntu ilebala lethu akagcine ngolunye usuku ethatha umnotho ewushare nabantu bakuthi umuntu omnyama yomnotho and the rest womnotho uye oyibala elinsundu akahlale njalo
kumele ngale nto ngenza kwethu ngathi mina umuntu ongenayo engavala imic ngizomxebula impela ngidlali futhi into ebaluleke kahle kubeka futhi motivation.
So okay, thank you so much. So uyabona ukuthi la kusino-Comrade JZ sisonke siphumaphi manje. Kuzofanele ukuthi sisonke ngaphakathi organization si-understand the principle, si-understand abantu abaningi. Abanye abantu baye bathi uNxamalala khona okunye nje okwathi ukanalize ngakubona ukuthi nje kusiphupha kuyazi kahle politics wathi uNxamalala akathandi ukuphuma position, umuntu ofuna njalo uhlale on top of i-position. Ngibese ngithi mina waphuma nje kwa-ANC waziswela yena ohamba o-resign wakubona uthanda basekho happy give the position, hayi bengeka uqala umkhonto. There we go. Some people baba ne-problem namhlanje ngomkhonto wesizwe ba-sideline uNxamalala kwi-ANC. Afethu ngeke mina for my first time ngi-mention i-ANC uma ngikhuluma kwe-statement sami, but I have to, because lento it goes back. I-ANC if yayihlakaniphile leadership yakhona, if they were intelligent enough, i-comrade labo bezol-protect from ama-vultures la ayekade funa amanqe, la ayekade funa ukulidla, ngoba phela bavumela manje abelungu bavumela izitha ze-ANC. Ungangixaka mosibiza nge-ANC, uvumela izitha ze-ANC zibe ne-say kwi-ANC ukuthi khiphani lo muntu. A very loyal member, a very loyal comrade, you're president of the country, uvumela abantu bakunike i-instruction yokuthi hambe uyokhipha lo muntu. Uthi uma ungathi awuzwa athi awubambe nanguzuba gijima uyokhipha lo muntu asemfuni lapha. Ukuvuma kanjani lokho ukuthi udayise ubetray, ngoba it's a betrayal. That's a political betrayal, and uzobetray ngisho i-revolution. Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu elwela abantu bakini amalungelo abantu abamnyama. At that time already abantu basebeqalile bebenefita kwi-economy yase South Africa. He has produced a lot of multi-millionaires under his leadership. And two, izinto bezivele zenzeka. The infrastructures, including the service delivery to the masses, to the people, bekade ibonakala. Besiyibona i-visibility yama-MC and the ministers, yonke nje i-cabinet yakhe, i-president yakhe besiyibona ihamba ibantu ngoba wayetshela isitshebo sokuthi kusetshenzwe abantu. At the same time abantu umnotho abawugcina bekubona. Kodwa kwasuka abantu bazolalela abantu abayona ingxenye, even not the carding members of the NC. They were listened when they dish out the instruction of that, please recall uZuma. When they said Comrade Jesuit must be recalled, balalele. Abanye labo basebekhambwe baqeda. I still have that picture. Ehlangene wonke ama-organization. Oh, lo Mr. they were there. Charlie Kota were there. Umkhuleko Hlenga they were there. I-DA yona i-lead alo into. I mean, a lot of political parties, they were there. Ukuthi uZuma must fall. Ngoba behlushwe yini le abantu bakithi abamnyama yini le basebeyibona wrong, because they were not the members of the ANC. Babuka ukuthi bona ngeke baze bawuthola umnotho. Yayingekho leyo into. All was about ukuthi sonke sibenefit as a South Africans. At that time, I was not even forward with the politics. I will just vote for ANC. Now, umsholo Zuma yela sebeqala babe nenkinga. Olahla umuntu sukumlahla because momlahla bakhona bazomthatha babone ivalue kuyena. Thina sabona ivalue kumsholozi masimlandela. When they thought that they've done about him, bamkhashile bamqedile. With dustbin. Unfortunately, sabona ivalue njengama-comrades. So, comrades, fellow members, my commanders, I want to say this. Please, let's love this organization. Let's show love. Let us not be talkative. Let's go down there and tell people what is the intention of Umkhonto weSizwe. What is our goal? What is our vision? The country is not in our hands yet as Umkhonto weSizwe. And even though, if the country iwela ezandleni zethu as Umkhonto weSizwe, we're not going to be have a pride, walk with the pride of big shoulders that says, no. We are here to liberate. Liberation. We are not free yet. We were told we are free. But later we discovered that we are not free yet. We are still chasing the freedom. Comrades, stop. If you, I mean, this is not about politics. You don't have to go deep and dig deep the politics, and so that you can understand the definition of the politics. No, you don't have to do so. The only thing you have to do is to push the focus on what you're doing. When I walk in the street wearing some Umkhonto weSizwe, when people are asking, oh, senenzani ku social media, because I'm not able to provide answers kubantu bengibuza ngento ngingahlangene nayo namanje. Even if you can ask me what's going on the social media on TikTok, I cannot provide you the answer, even though I have a clue what's going on, because I'm not here to answer the questions of something which will not benefit the masses of this country. The only thing we are here for is to liberate this country, is to liberate the citizens of this country. So, abanye bazoqhamuka besho this and that. Omunye kwaqhamuka kwenye comment wathi thathani izolinika amabhunu. Bathi awusiswaka musulala nebhunu yini. Likulale kamnandi wazi wathi ufuna ukunikele ngale lizwe. Unfortunately masifaki ke mothi akunikele ngezo wena nikela wedwa ngezo kade nipromisana ekamereni. Uthi nikelani ngezo uthi thathani izwe linika amabhunu. Mhlambe ke usho lokho ngenye emotion yokuthi kadibhelele nalo lelo bhunu mhlambe ke kwamnandi waselithembisa ukuthi ngithembisa South Africa zokunika South Africa uyabuza otshela thi we cannot give away with this country. This country belongs to us. We were born and bred here, and there are people who were sacrificed here. They sacrificela lona lelizwe lethu. So lelizwe belonga kuthina. Man, I don't care whatever you can say la kuma comment section. I will never respond kubantu osuka le nasi xosha kwa ANC nibona. I don't know noma senibona ivalue in manje. And you don't tell us as senziphutha. Uswallow your pride, tell us ukuthi Zuma senziphutha. Kodwa umsholozi umtshela uthi umsholozi senziphutha sayosha kwa ANC. Sasingazi ukuthi sinyathela imbewu ezoba successful kangaka. Tell umsholozi, don't tell us. Don't try to push a wrong narrative about umsholozi, about Umkhonto weSizwe. Umkhonto weSizwe, yes, we agree. It was a military wing of Kazama exile. Nina kuqala nayicrasha nayidisbanda nayingcwaba umshozo wabona isidingo sokuthi no, let me revive this Umkhonto weSizwe. Now we are here. Even this logo in the center is old. le logo indala eyomkhonto wesizwe military wing ye-ANC, and we're going nowhere. Sizothizo silibeke kumkhonto wesizwe. Unfortunately, thina sinayo military wing. Ourselves we are the military wing. That's why we call each other commander, source. We have, we call even each other as a leader, because siwona ama leaders, siwona ama commander. We are the soldiers. Singene kumkhonto wesizwe sawugqoka. Sathi siyavuma unqamalala sizoba amasosha. Let us be a soldiers. Soldiers has never been turned to one another. No. Ama-soldier abheka impi eza ngako. Thina mina nje myself, angindaba nomuntu we-ANC, angindaba nomuntu wenkatha. I don't have a problem with any political party that is opposing us, because ngeke bangenzele lutho. Inendaba nayo ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. Yes, we might be excited about the 2026 local elections, but my man is that 2029. Some abantu abaningi abasoke sisaphila yokusaphila, and it's a lot kuzokwenzeka, but the journey to success ikazi be fast kanje ngo100 moya ku6 kanje ngo200 success uhamba kancane nje ushaka kancane uzofike, because the enemy yakho mozoya ngofungulo lezokushaya. To just read your enemy ama steps wayo, take your time and look and decide, and therefore you will be able to defeat your enemy. So what I'm saying bafethu, istruggle sethu la asikayiqedi into sizele seze kumkhonto wesizwe sizokwenza into eyi1, sifuna imission eyi1. Our mission ukuthatha lelizwe silibuyisele kuthina njengabantu abamnyama, ukuthi abasibone basibona njengabelungu abantu bethi niboneni ukuthi abantu abamnyama okwabo lokho. Mina ngezazi ukuthi njengoba sila kumkhonto wesizwe, this party is dominated by the black people, by the South Africans. So therefore ithi into ke imission yethu asikayiqedi. Igoli yalomuntu wafika kumkhonto wesizwe wathi manje sengiqala ukufunda my own organization, was ukuthi ufuna ukuresume from into abamxosha esayenza kwa-ANC. Wathi awuthi ngizoqhubeka ngiyenza sengizibiza ngenye version, but angizokuphuma kakhulu. Akaphuma kakhulu mayenzela umkhonto wesizwe. So bafethu asidukisana lezi zinto lezo kufika ukuthi hayi uSibanibani obethi uSibanibani wathi uSibanibani loo nto lento yase high school, into yama society izitokufela, into omdlalo nje lo. Ungabe uhamba usho hayi ngizula uSibanibani bethi umzula uSibanibani bethi hayi mina ngihamba lo Sibanibani. No, we are here for one reason. Imission yethu yi1. Sifuna lelizwe libuyele kumkhonto wesizwe, sikwazi ukufulfilla lethe sifuna ukuyenza. We were promised a democracy. We are not in a democratic country now. So siyakufuna lokubuyisa lento ye-democracy, sibone ukuthi nayi democracy sifuna ukubuyisa ipower ibe kuthina abantu abamnyama. Lezi zinto lezi ezinye ufike kuthiwa hayi ubanibani wathi ubani leadership izithulele, because bayayazi mission yabo, bayayazi into ukuthi mabexoxa bene-caucus yini. Umsholozi uyazi ukuthi umqali wendlela wethu umsholozi, he knows very well ukuthi yini ayifuna, and he will never respond. Yazi ukuthi mawukhuluma you be like ukhuluma kude futhi akazi ukuthi uthini, because into ayifuna yena iyi1. Abantu bayibona inidi ukuhamba nomkhonto wesizwe, bavotela umkhonto wesizwe, bathatha ipower bayinika umkhonto wesizwe. So bafethu ngiyabonga, and ukufunda ke commander lami ukuthi labantu ufika bebhala nje umbhedo umuntu umthatha nje ungamnyutha mothani umnyuthe ungamblok umnyuthe nje abuka ukuthi siyakhuluma la. And ngicela ukuthi ama-comrades alandelayo sike sikhulume into yaphambili, sikhulume ngento yomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi from here wethu i-vision yethu siyi-achieve kanjani. Hayi lento ukuthi ubanibani wathi lento ubanibani leyo ngiyisebenza into eyingane leyo bafethu. Ngiyanicela umuntu okhule enough nje akakhulumi noma yini social media, akakhulumi noma yini. Thina size ngemission eyi1. Mission yethu ile logo ela esenta kulesigqoko sigqokile. That's our mission. Sifuna ukuthatha izwe silibeke kwi-center yaleso sigqoko, kwi-center yaleyo logo leyo la khona indoda phethe umkhondo. Ilizwe sifuna sihlale lapho lobe livikelekile. Ubonile uTrump izolo etshela uZelensky lo wase-Ukraine ukuthi wena useless kanjani buyalisa abantu. Asibafuna upresident abama-puppet kanje. Sifuneka sifunde sithathe ileli izwe lizogcina kuthina. Bayathanda bathanda akuba imost abasenawo amandla, abantu abanamandla yithina. Asisebenzeni kakhulu ke kunaqala. Ngiyabonga Nkwali, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu nakumanye ama-comrades nje ukungilekezela mangithatha isikhathi eside. Ngesinye isikhathi lento ifana nokushumayela. Uzizwa ukuthi mawukhuluma uzwe ungena kwesinye spirit. But sihlukane nalento social media ayizosenzela lutho. Lento vele ikwenze nje ungasathanda nokungena ku-social media indaba ukukhuluma. No, we don't talk. Siyenza singamasosha thina. Singamasosha. We are soldiers. Let's go on. Let's soldier on until we win our battle. Thank you so very much.
Siyabonga